Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Deepal and I hope you guys are doing well. So for my today's video, it is about what's in my makeup pouch. So tomorrow I'm leaving for Calcutta and just right now I was packing my makeup pouch and it's a very instant video. मैंने सोचा कि आप लोगों को दिखाऊं कि मैं अपने makeup pouch में क्या क्या carry करती हूँ. So in my makeup pouch, I carry my bare essentials. I do not carry anything extra. जो makeup products मेरे बहुत favorite है and मैं उसे day to day basis पे लगाती हूँ, मैं बस वो carry करती हूँ. So yeah, without me further ado, let's get into the video. Okay, so the first thing that comes out of my makeup bag is this concealer. So this is the Maybelline Age Rewind Concealer in the shade medium. And this is actually my go-to concealer. I have been using this concealer since the past 2 to 3 years. And जो भी मेरे dark circles होते हैं, pimple marks होते हैं, कुछ भी spots होता है, it conceals all of these marks really well. And yeah, it's a drugstore concealer and most of the times ये Nykaa पे discount पे होता है and that's when I pick it up. So this is the first product. The second product is this Maybelline Fit Me powder. This is in the shade 130 Buff Beige. So concealer लगाने के बाद मैं अपना जो face है वो इस powder से set करती हूँ. Again ये भी एक drugstore product है and it has a little coverage. You can see I've just applied मेहंदी and इसके ऊपर आप powder देख सकते हो. So it has a bit of coverage and it's really matte. So आपकी अगर ऑयली स्किन है तो आप इस पाउडर को ज़्यादा भी लगा सकते हो. So yeah, to set my base, I use this powder. Okay, so the third thing that comes out of my bag is this blush. This is by Nykaa and yeah, इसमें ये दो shades आते हैं and one of the shade is very pigmented, which is this color right here. This is really pigmented and the second shade, which is this one, is not that pigmented. ये काफ़ी natural है. So yeah, ये blush भी मैंने कुछ, I think it's been a year that I've been using it and yeah, बहुत ज़्यादा अच्छा है ये blush. There are two colors. So I usually just mix these two colors and apply it on my cheeks. अभी भी मैंने ये blush apply किया है. So yeah, this is the only blush that I use and this is also affordable. Most of the products in my makeup pouch are affordable. I think everything is under 1,000 rupees and yeah, काफ़ी products 500 के नीचे भी है and this blush is also really affordable and very pigmented. So yeah. Okay, so the next thing that I can see in my bag is this brush. So this brush I had picked up from Miniso and ये इसे मैं अपना blush लगाती हूँ and you can just see that, you know, आपको दिख रहा होगा कि blush लगा हुआ है इस पे. I think the best thing about this brush is that the minute I wash it, literally in like 2 minutes this brush gets dry. So every time that I have to use it, I wash it first and 2 minutes में dry हो जाता है and that's when I use it. So yeah, it's really nice. It's super fluffy. It looks really nice. It's silver in color and yeah, it's just always with me because it's affordable, it's nice and yeah. So the next thing that I can see in my bag is this highlighter. ये highlighter I think on all of my videos ये feature हुआ है and this is by Swiss Beauty. ये टूट चुका था and मैंने फिर इसे इस बॉक्स में डाल दिया था. It's an amazing highlighter. I'm going to show you how it looks. So this is how the highlighter looks. It is amazing. It's my go-to highlighter. Again, this is one of the products that I've been using since many years. It's been I think 2 years that I have been using this and मैंने अभी तक कोई और highlighter लिया नहीं है. This is my go-to and only highlighter. So yeah, all of these things in my makeup pouch are my favorites and so is this one. Okay, so the next thing in my makeup pouch is this mascara. This is the Voluminous Lash Paradise mascara. This mascara I think I've been using since the past 6-7 months. बहुत टाइम नहीं हुआ है इसे. मैंने काफ़ी mascaras try किए हुए हैं and this is by far the best one because it separates the lashes, it elongates the lashes and काफ़ी thick कर देता है lashes को. So yeah, this is my second bottle and I really love this mascara. The next thing that I can see is before I start with lipsticks, I think yeah, So the next thing is this kajal. This is by L'Oreal, and yeah, it's a gel liner, so you can use it as a liner, as a kajal, whatever. And ये again बहुत टाइम से मैं इसे यूज़ कर रही हूँ. आई थिंक 3 साल से मैं यही काजल यूज़ कर रही हूँ. आई मीन ऑब्वियसली जो भी मैं बोल रही हूँ कि 3-4 साल है, इसका मतलब ये नहीं आई एम यूजिंग द सेम प्रोडक्ट. ऑफ कोर्स दिस इज अ न्यू पैक, and but I've been using this product since the past 3 years, and this is the best kajal. ये smudge नहीं होता है. It is super black, and yeah, I love it. And this comes with a brush, which is here. So yeah. Okay, so the next thing in my pouch is this brow pencil. So this is by this brand called Obuse. ये बहुत ही एक नॉर्मल ब्राउ पेंसिल है, विच आई थिंक आई गॉट फॉर ₹150 और समथिंग. ये नायका पे नहीं मिलता है. आई गॉट फ्रॉम अ वेरी लोकल स्टोर बिकॉज मुझे ट्राई करना था ब्राउ पेंसिल्स, एंड इट एक्चुअली वर्क्स रियली नाइस. आई जस्ट हैव टू शार्पन इट, एंड मैं इसे स्कैंटी एरियाज में फिल कर देती हूँ, एंड या माई ब्राउज लुक रियली नाइस. So if you guys want this brow pencil, I'll just link it down. I think Amazon पे ये मिलता है. So yeah. Okay, so the next thing is my Calabar waterproof liquid eyeliner. I just realized that I have a lot of things in my bag. So anyway, this is the Calabar waterproof liner. Again, this product I've been using since many years. I actually switched to the Nykaa eyeliner for a bit. I also used I think the L'Oreal eyeliner for a bit, but I still have come back to this one because I think ये जो eyeliner है ये काफ़ी टाइम तक चलता है. इसका bottle is too small, but I don't know, still somehow it lasts for a long time, and yeah, it's completely black. I'm just going to show you guys. So it is completely black. It's not matte. Matte वाला eyeliner I think different आता है. This is not a matte liner, but it's really nice. काफ़ी precision से eyeliner लगता है, and yeah. Okay, so the last thing before I begin with all of my lipsticks is this sanitizer, which is extremely important, and you should always have a sanitizer in your makeup bag before you start your makeup. Always make sure you sanitize or wash your hands and then start your makeup. And last but not the least, of course, I have a few lipsticks in my makeup bag. I'm going to quickly show you the swatches. So this is the Chambord lipstick in the shade 168 Desert Rose, one of my favorite lipsticks, and this is how it looks. The next shade that I have is by Nykaa, and ये shade है 11 Jane, and this is how the color looks. The next shade that I have is by Calabar, and it's called Close Affair 56, and it's a very nice pink lipstick, and this is how it looks. I'm doing it really fast because I feel कि वीडियो बहुत ज़्यादा लंबा हो जाएगा. So I'm sorry, but I'm just trying to show you all the swatches. This is by Smashbox, and the shade is Driver's Seat. A very pretty color, and if you're looking for that perfect lipstick, just don't look any further and just buy this. It's really nice. And the next one that I have is also from Smashbox, and I think it's in the shade I just dropped something. It's in the shade Gulabi. Yeah, it's a very nice nude color, and yeah, I just got this shade. ये बहुत ही नया है, and I've used it a couple of times. This is how it looks. And yeah, last but not the least, I have a gloss which I always carry. You know, some days when I don't feel like wearing a matte lipstick, just take matte lipstick, I apply this gloss, and it looks really nice. So this is by Victoria's Secret, and yeah, so now my makeup pouch is empty. Okay guys, so this was it for the video. If you like this video, do not forget to hit the like button, and for more such videos, please subscribe to my channel. It will mean so much to me. I shall see you guys very soon. Till then, take care. Bye bye.